video of you and him. Down.
Do you want me to go on?
Stevie, get closer. Yes, you can. Oh, these are so cute.
Watching the Super Bowl. I don't know, Steve. She's not very interested.
Your birthday. 2407. That was nice of them, huh?
And there those eyes are.
Here comes the yawn. Stretching her legs out.
Loves to stretch her. And leaves these two sleepers alone.
I know. And then she went like this and got you all good and soaked up. Your pretty, pretty hair, little girl. Yeah, she did.
Who's that? And we gotta flip you. Let's see how Dad does with that. Good job.
Turn sideways there. Turn your head sideways.
There you go. Oh, there you go. Oh my God. Can I just take 1,000,000 pictures of her like this? Hairline.
There you go. You want it, right?
The hands. Good job.
There you go. There's one eye at least.
Is that for my enjoyment or for hers?
A little both. The feet first.
Wait, hold on. Do it again. Look at those feet all stretched out.
The feet.
She does this to herself. She just becomes one big blanket. Keeping herself toasty.
Time to wake up, little one. And the big stretch.
You gotta. Here it comes.
There's her feet right here.
So quiet and calm. Waiting for Kiki and Papa to come.
Do you still use the little toothbrush or no?
We actually scraped her head before because she has a lot of dry.
The dry
Here
stuff
we
off.
go. Okay. We're doing fluffies in the hair.
Is it a good idea to do the toothbrush in bath?
Well, no. Doesn't matter.
I don't know. I don't know these things.
Either way.
See, Chris, maybe you should go back to work.
Oh, no. I don't think so. Stevie, get over this way. Into this back side of me.
She's so good. How are you so well behaved for Kiki? I'm so glad.
You see your mama? You see your papa? You see your daddy right there? Hi, Dad. Say, this is really fun. What are you talking about?
Bless you, bless you. Demonstrating excellent head control. Look at her in her baby seat.